What makes a CEO successful? Is it their relentless drive, their unyielding ambition, or perhaps a killer instinct that sets them apart from the rest? These are all important, no doubt. They form the bedrock of what we traditionally consider the traits of a successful leader. But what if I told you there might be something else? Something surprising, hidden in plain sight. Something that goes beyond the obvious traits we often celebrate. We've all heard the stories of iconic CEOs like Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, and Mark Zuckerberg. These are names that have become synonymous with innovation and success. Visionaries who revolutionized entire industries. They didn't just build companies. They created legacies that continue to influence our world today. But what set them apart? Was it their groundbreaking ideas alone? Or was there something more at play? Something that perhaps we haven't fully understood yet. Was it just their groundbreaking ideas? Or was there something more at play? Could there be an underlying factor that contributed to their extraordinary achievements? A recent study by the Donald G. Costello College of Business suggests a fascinating possibility: left-handedness. This intriguing research has opened up new avenues of thought. Yes, you read that right. The study proposes that being left-handed might be more than just a quirky trait. It could be a significant factor in their success. The way these CEOs write, use scissors, even throw a ball, could hold a clue to their extraordinary success. It's a small detail, but one that could have big implications. It's a finding that has sent ripples through the business world, forcing us to reconsider our assumptions about leadership and success. Could it be that something as simple as handedness plays a role in shaping the minds that shape our world? Could it be that a simple quirk of biology plays a role in shaping the minds that shape our world? This revelation challenges us to look beyond the obvious and consider the subtle nuances that contribute to greatness. As we delve deeper into the lives of these extraordinary individuals, we begin to see that success is not just about the big moves, but also about the small, often overlooked details, the way they think, the way they approach problems, and yes, even the way they use their hands. So the next time you think about what makes a CEO successful, remember that it might not just be their ambition or their vision. It could also be the unique way their brains are wired, influencing every decision they make. The CEO enigma is far more complex than we ever imagined. And as we continue to explore these hidden facets, we may just uncover more secrets that lie beneath the surface of success. The study, published in a leading business journal, analyzed the handedness of Fortune 500 CEOs over the past 2 decades. The results were striking. A disproportionately high percentage of these CEOs were left-handed, far exceeding the 10% representation in the general population. This wasn't just a statistical anomaly. The researchers dug deeper, examining the performance of these left-handed CEOs. The findings were even more compelling. Companies led by left-handed CEOs consistently outperform their peers in key metrics like innovation and revenue growth. But why? What is it about left-handedness that might confer an advantage in the cutthroat world of business? The answer, researchers believe, lies in the unique wiring of the left-handed brain. Studies have shown that left-handed individuals often exhibit enhanced creativity and problem-solving skills. This unique trait has intrigued scientists and researchers for decades, leading to numerous studies and investigations into the cognitive differences between left-handed and right-handed people. This is linked to the lateralization of the brain, a phenomenon where certain cognitive processes are more dominant in one hemisphere than the other. With left-handed individuals relying more on the right hemisphere, which is associated with spatial reasoning, abstract thinking, and intuition, they often excel in areas that require innovative thinking and creative problem-solving. Our findings suggest that the left-handed brain may be wired for innovation, explains Dr. Susan Peters, lead author of the study. She emphasizes that this wiring allows left-handed individuals to approach problems from unique angles and develop unconventional solutions. The enhanced right brain activity could give left-handed CEOs an edge in recognizing patterns, connecting seemingly disparate ideas, and coming up with novel solutions. This ability to think outside the box is invaluable in the fast-paced world of business and technology. This notion is further supported by the study's findings on patents. The data revealed a significant correlation between left-handedness and the number of patents held, suggesting a higher propensity for innovation and invention among left-handed individuals. left-handed CEOs were found to hold significantly more patents than their right-handed counterparts, indicating a higher propensity for innovation and invention. This trend highlights the potential advantages of left-handedness in leadership roles, where creative thinking and problem-solving are crucial for success. The study opens new avenues for understanding how brain lateralization influences cognitive abilities and professional achievements. The list of left-handed CEOs is impressive, reading like a who's who of the business world. Aside from Jobs, Gates, and Zuckerberg, it includes other titans of industry like Henry Ford, Oprah Winfrey, and Alan Turing. These individuals, each a giant in their respective fields, have shaped the world as we know it. Their left-handedness, while perhaps a subtle aspect of their persona, adds another layer to their extraordinary stories. It's a testament to the potential of the left-handed brain and its capacity for groundbreaking thought and leadership. Section 5. Decoding handedness. A look at the research. To ensure accuracy, the researchers employed rigorous methods to determine the handedness of the CEOs in the study. They didn't rely on self-reported data, which can be unreliable. Instead, they delved into archival footage, photographs, and even analyzed signatures to observe the natural hand preference of these individuals. This meticulous approach ensured that the findings were grounded in solid evidence, adding weight to the study's conclusions. The researchers also controlled for other variables that could influence success, such as education, upbringing, and socioeconomic background, further isolating the impact of left-handedness. Section 6. The neuroscience of left-handedness. Today we delve into the fascinating world of how being left-handed can influence brain function and creativity. The link between left-handedness and enhanced creativity has been a subject of fascination for neuroscientists for years. Studies have shown that left-handed individuals often excel in creative fields such as art, music, and writing. This has led researchers to explore the underlying neurological reasons for this phenomenon. Research suggests that the corpus callosum, the bridge of nerve fibers connecting the two hemispheres of the brain, is typically larger in left-handed individuals. This structural difference may play a crucial role in how information is processed and transferred between the two sides of the brain. This enhanced connectivity could facilitate communication between the two hemispheres, allowing left-handed individuals to access a broader range of cognitive abilities and perspectives. Essentially, the larger corpus callosum may enable more efficient and effective communication between the brain's hemispheres. It's like having two powerful computers working in sync, explains Dr. Sarah Jones, a neuroscientist specializing in handedness. This synchronization can lead to a more integrated and holistic approach to problem-solving and creativity. The left hemisphere handles language and logic, while the right hemisphere excels at spatial reasoning and creativity. In left-handed individuals, the enhanced communication between these two areas can result in a unique blend of skills and abilities. In left-handed individuals, the enhanced communication between the two could lead to a synergistic effect, fostering innovative thinking. This synergy allows for a more dynamic and flexible approach to tasks, enabling left-handed people to think outside the box and come up with novel solutions to problems. The interplay between the hemispheres can also contribute to a more balanced and versatile cognitive profile, making left-handed individuals adept at both analytical and creative tasks. Section 7. Nurturing Potential. A Call for Inclusivity. The findings of the study have profound implications, not just for the business world, but for society as a whole. It challenges us to rethink our biases and create environments that nurture the potential of all individuals, regardless of their handedness. For too long, left-handedness has been stigmatized, seen as a weakness or something to be corrected. This study serves as a powerful reminder that diversity, in all its forms, is a strength, not a weakness. By embracing the unique talents and perspectives of left-handed individuals, we can unlock a wellspring of creativity and innovation that benefits us all. Section 8. Beyond the dominant hand. It's important to note that handedness is just one piece of the complex puzzle that is human potential. While the study highlights a fascinating correlation, it's not a guarantee of success. Countless factors contribute to an individual's achievements, including hard work, dedication, and a bit of luck. However, The findings should make us pause and reconsider our assumptions about what it takes to succeed. Perhaps, just perhaps, there's more to it than meets the eye. The next generation of CEOs, inventors, and world changers could be out there, their left hands poised to leave their mark on the world. Section 9. The future is ambidextrous. As we move further into the 21st century, a world increasingly driven by innovation and disruption, the ability to think differently will be paramount. In this environment, the unique cognitive wiring of left-handed individuals could prove to be an invaluable asset. Perhaps the real takeaway from this study is not that left-handedness is a golden ticket to success, but that diversity in all its forms is essential for progress. By embracing our differences, celebrating our unique strengths, and fostering an environment of inclusivity, we can unlock the full potential